Hi, this is June Corpus. I'm going through the new sales procedures on Square. First of all, there are prints on the wall and there are prints in the browser here. The new system is actually based on a code that is at the back of each print, which you will see here. And it begins with the first letter of the artist's name and the first and second letter of the surname. It's anywhere between a 4 and a 6-digit code. The numbers are also important. 1 to 300 refers to the wall prints and 300 onwards to the browser prints. For example, here that you see, this is called DMC, Diane McClellan 426, and this is actually a browser print, which is actually in these browsers here, which are actually on the planchette. When there is a sale, you actually go into the Square machine and you will see here that there is an icon. Here there is an icon called MI for mini prints, and within that there are actually two captions. One says mini print variable and the other says mini print entry. The mini print entry is no longer relevant because we are closed for entries. When you have a sale, you would just press the mini print. You would type in the price, press add, and you will see here it comes back to the top screen, and you will see at the bottom here you'll see an item that says review sale. You would go into review sale and you would then see the mini print sale that I just typed in, and you would then press mini print here. And now this is actually a very, very important step. You can change the quantity here if it's the same price, so you can change it to 2. But what is most important is the notes at the bottom. So you see this item here that says notes. In the usual system, what we would do is that we would actually put in things like the artist's name, the version, the title of the print. In this case, you do not actually have to do that at all. All you would have to do is to put in the code that you actually see here. So you just put in DMC 426. The code also goes into the sales book. So next step would actually be to save what you've done and then to go through charge here as per normal and take payment from the customer. Now, if at this stage you want to delete the print, you would just go to the three dots in the corner here and actually press the 3 dots, and you come to a caption that actually says clear sale. You would just then clear the sale. So the next step is to actually record it in the sales book. And here, if you go to 25th of September, you will see a mini print sale here. So what you would do, you would have had written down the code in the book or on a piece of paper. You would then actually go and decipher that code. And on the desk in the purple folder, there are 2 listings that look like this. These are marked, highlighted with these 2, and these are the codes. These are the codes for the wall. These are the codes for the browser. So what you would do is that you would just refer to the number here. So in our case, it's 426. So if I were to go for 426, here you will see that 426 is Diane McClellan's print, London Skies. You would write that in the sales book as you normally would. You would write that in the sales book, as you can see here, the name, the title, the version, and also obtain the customer's name. And that can actually be done after the sale is actually complete. And so that is all that I actually need to say, and I hope that it's clear enough. There are instructions. There are instructions in the folder, which actually look like this. And also, I'll be running a training session on the 7th of October between 3:30 and 5:30. So if you're not clear on how to process a mini print, please come to that session. Thanks, bye.